What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an ATS-friendly resume in order to stand out for recruiters once you hand your resume to apply for a job. Now first, let's find out what ATS means. If you do a quick Google search on what is ATS resume, you'll find that it's a resume system that's optimized for Applicant Tracking System, or ATS, which helps you stands for recruiters. So many recruiters now use a certain system to filter out like given resumes, and ATS resume makes sure that you are one of these resumes that stand out to them. Now, in order to create an ATS resume, you need to keep some points in mind. First of all, you need to add a headline like under your name at the very top, because it's the very first part that recruiters see when they are like filtering through resume. You need to make sure that this headline is short, clear, and to the point, and it indicates your specific skills that you want to showcase or highlight for recruiters. So if you go to Google and then search for ATS resume builder, you can see many helpful tools that you can use in order to build and even scan your resume to see if it's ATS ready or meets the ATS criteria. Now, one simple tool I like to use is resume.io, which is an ATS-friendly resume builder. Now, once you open the site, click on build your resume. And first here, you need to select a template. So let's say I like the one on the right. It looks more professional. And if you scroll here, you can see more like templates. However, I still do like this one. You can click here to use this template. And here you can connect your social media profile. I'll just skip it. Add my name, continue. Then add my email. So like johnsmith@gmail.com. Okay, let's add some random digits. So I'm just adding some random email right here just to show you the steps. And here I can create a new resume, use an example you like, upload resume if I have one ready. So I'll just use an example you like, and you can also create it with AI. Okay, let's see this one, use it. And here is the resume. So here are all the details, so like the name, email, and a professional summary. So I can of course replace these fields with my own data, like skills, information, and everything. So you can go ahead and add all your information, and once you do and everything is ready, you can go ahead and download the PDF file, and your ATS resume is now ready.